On paper, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 looks like a real price-to-performance winner. Brand new Blackwell architecture, DLSS 4, triple fan cooling, and PCIe 5.0. But before you hit that buy button, you should know there are a few surprising weaknesses you need to be aware of. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether this GPU is really worth it, or if it's better to wait. The ASUS Prime RTX 5070 sports a clean matte black design with sharp lines and a sturdy metal shroud. The triple fan axial tech cooling system ensures effective heat dissipation, while the 2.5 slot form factor makes it compatible with more compact PC cases. But does it feel as premium as its competitors? One standout feature is the phase change thermal paste, which enhances heat transfer and helps extend the GPU's lifespan. Plus, the dual BIOS switch makes it easy to toggle between performance and quiet modes, perfect for users who want to balance power with silence. Compared to Nvidia's RTX 4070 Super, the RTX 5070 delivers similar performance but benefits from the newer Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4. However, AMD's competing Radeon RX 7800 XT offers more VRAM, which could prove advantageous for future gaming titles. With a starting price of around 629 euros in Germany, the ASUS Prime RTX 5070 positions itself as an appealing option for gamers looking for cutting-edge technology at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a high-performance graphics card with modern architecture and efficient cooling, check out the latest deals via the Amazon link in the video description. So how does it perform in games? At 1080p, the RTX 5070 consistently delivers high frame rates, ideal for competitive gamers. At 1440p, performance remains strong, though slightly behind the RTX 4070 Super. 4K is more demanding, but thanks to DLSS 4 and frame generation, you can still achieve smooth, playable frame rates. If you enjoyed this review and don't want to miss future performance tests, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. In summary, the ASUS Prime GeForce RTX 5070 is a solid choice for gamers looking for current gen tech at a fair price. For the latest deals and availability, click the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.